Hi, all. So, you might be wondering about the get up today. Well, I thought what I needed to tell you today needs a little bit more extra weight. So, what I want to tell you is that you are a badass. And unfortunately, I also can't take credit for that. That is the name of the new book I'm reading. And if, like me, you go through ups and downs where one day you think you're okay, you can conquer the world, you've got the knowledge, you know what you're doing, and then the next day you go, oh, really not okay, really don't know what I'm doing, people are going to find me out. Well, then this is what you need to hear. And instead of me rambling on about it for another minute, I thought I'll just read you one of the pages that really struck me quite hard. And if, like me, you need to hear it a few times, please listen to this clip as many times as you need for your subconscious to start believing that the words in this is true. So here goes. You are perfect. To think anything less is as pointless as a river thinking that it's got too many curves, or that it moves too slowly, or that its rapids are too rapid. Says who? You're on a journey with no defined beginning, middle, or end. There are no wrong twists or turns. There is just being. And your job is to be as you can be. This is why you're here. To shy away from who you truly are would leave the world viewless. You are the only you there is and ever will be. I repeat, you are the only you there is and ever will be. Do not deny the world its one and only chance to bask in your brilliance. We are all perfect in our own magnificent, effed up ways. So laugh at yourself, love yourself and others, and rejoice in the cosmic ridiculousness. So here's to you all you fabulous, badass, perfect people out there. Go and have fun, enjoy, and lots of love from me. Bye now.